Hi, Pat here. I have a Project 1 cassette deck, model fld3500. This thing was made somewhere in the 70s. It does power on, but it doesn't want to do anything. Take a look in here. See right there? Somebody literally put a rubber band on there, and it's kind of stuck on there. So I'm going to tear it apart and see what other bolts might need to be replaced, and see if I can get it going. I got the mechanism out of this thing. Little belt there. Thing will slide out. See a rubber band. It's kind of stuck there. And on the motor, a little chunk of rubber band right there. And let's see if I get inside this thing. You clean up that wheel. Let's see in here. There's a couple belts in here that needs to be taken care of. There's some light over here. And I see another rubber wheel in there. Let's see if I get to that, clean it up. I don't know if you can read this here, but this rubber band says Produce of Peru. And it's stuck on there. I'm probably going to have to scrape it off. I reached in here. I got this wheel cleaned. Got the idler wheel there cleaned up. I don't like to take these things apart unless I absolutely have to. And when I took this thing apart, this pulley here just fell off. And I thought I was in trouble there. So ain't no reason for that to be there if I ain't doing nothing. And I got lucky. Found this low gear laying on the bottom of the deck. Obviously the guy pulled it off, but it fits tightly on there. You'll go in there and drive that gear in there. So I got lucky there. What's the odds of finding that thing? So I got this rubber wheel cleaned off. And start putting this back together and start looking at the electronics in this thing. There was a bottom panel in this one that came off. It makes things a little easier. And I don't know if you can see it. Cold date right there on that chip is 8026. That's the 26th week in 1980. Give you an idea when this thing was made. I'll clean these switches here, these play and record switches. Always been a big problem in most cassette decks I get. So I'll clean those. And I'll clean these other controls down here. I have a test tape in running at 3000 Hertz. And I made the adjustments. And it's keeping right around 3000. I got it all back together. I got blank tape in here right now. Let's hit record. I ain't got the music up because of YouTube thing. And turn it up for a couple seconds. I'm hoping you feel the same. Let's hit play. And it does record well. Put a store-bought tape in. And everything came out real nice in this tape deck. Thanks for watching the video.